This video is going to cover how to create a move plan, more specifically the Details tab. There's a couple different ways you can create a move plan. We're going to use the coordinate picker, so we'll select the fourth icon down. And we're going to right-click this green box and change the display mode to connected list. I'm going to go ahead and create a couple points. And I'm going to right-click this blue icon and copy to move plan. Now that our move plan is created, we're going to go in and edit some of the details. To access the move plan menu, we're going to select the Home tab and Move Plan. And you'll see the name is defaulted with the date and time. I'm going to go ahead and just change that to Test 1. And you have an option to add a corridor width if you want. I'll go ahead and add 15 meters. And for any of the changes to take place, you have to apply the changes. And if we click Apply, you'll see that corridor width has been added to the map. The Graphical Editor checkbox, that allows you to edit the move plan. You'll see if I click that checkbox, white boxes appear on each move plan step. And we can actually click and drag any one of those positions and change it to your desired location. If I move that here, I will move step 3 down here and click Apply, and you'll see the changes have been accepted. Any of the move plan steps can be edited manually. If you double click any one of the steps, you'll see that you can enter a position. You can also choose to display it in geo or grid. If you click this plus icon, it automatically adds a step to the very end. This icon right here will insert a step above the selected node. So if we wanted to insert a step in between 1 and 2, we would highlight step 2 and click this icon, and you'll see the white box. The step has been added in between there. We'll go ahead and delete these. You also have the option to right-click any of the move plan steps, and you can insert or delete a step. You can also insert a step from a waypoint or a subsea structure. And recalculate heading, that's just going to give you your desired vessel heading along the move plan. And if you do recalculate the heading, you need to do it for each individual move plan step. And you'll see that the heading values match the range and bearing on the 2D map display. I wanted to cover a couple more features in the Details tab since we have the desired vessel heading calculated now. If you go into the Graphical Editor, after this heading has been set, you can move one of these steps and your desired heading that was calculated will show up on the map. You'll see the ghost ship right there. So if you double click a move step, you have the option to change the range and bearing, and it allows you to update the move plan based on range and bearing. You can't do that for the first step because there's no reference point, but the second step and on you can. So if we go and select range and bearing, and we wanted to change the range to step 2 to 100 meters, you'll see that the changes have been made. So I'm going to change this back to 70. This concludes the basic setup of a move plan in the Details tab. Be sure to click the video link below covering the Move Plan References tab.